Signing up for Paddle Subscription Management is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, navigate to the Paddle website and click on the Sign Up button, typically located in the top right corner of the page. You will be directed to a registration form where you will need to provide basic information such as your name, email address, and password. It is essential to use a valid email address as this will be used to verify your account and receive important notifications from Paddle. Once you have filled out the registration form, click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will then be sent a verification email to the email address you provided. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. After verifying your account, you will be prompted to set up your Paddle dashboard. This involves providing additional information about your business, such as your company name, address, and tax ID number. You will also need to connect your payment gateway, such as Stripe or PayPal, to enable payment processing. To connect your payment gateway, navigate to the Payments section of your Paddle dashboard and follow the instructions provided. You will need to enter your payment gateway credentials and authorize Paddle to access your account. Once you have set up your Paddle dashboard and connected your payment gateway, you can start creating products and pricing plans. To create a product, navigate to the Products section of your dashboard and click on the New Product button. Enter the product details, such as the product name, description, and price, and then click on the Create Product button. Finally, to create a subscription plan, navigate to the Pricing Plans section of your dashboard and click on the New Plan button. Enter the plan details, such as the plan name, description, and billing cycle, and then click on the Create Plan button. By following these steps, you can easily sign up for Paddle Subscription Management and start managing your subscriptions and revenue. It is essential to carefully review the terms and conditions of Paddle's services and ensure that you comply with all applicable laws and regulations.